Hi. Let us see Java package. Packages are used in Java in order to prevent naming conflicts, to control access, to make searching, locating, and use of classes, interface, enumerations, and annotations easier. A package can be defined as a group of related types, providing access protection and namespace management. And another definition, Java programs are organized as a set of packages. Each package has its own set of names of types, which helps to prevent name conflicts. The type is accessible outside the package that declare it only if the type is declared as public. The naming structure of package is hierarchical. The members of the packages are class and interface types, which are declared in compilation units of package and subpackages, which may contain compilation units and subpackages of their own. Package membership. Java package can have members of either or both of the following kinds. Subpackages of the package, types declared in the compilation units. What are Java packages? For example, in the standard Java application programming interface API, the package Java has subpackages like applet, IO, language, network, AWT, abstract window toolkit, and utility, but no compilation units. The package java.awt has a subpackage name image as well as a number of compilation units containing declaration of classes and interface types. If the fully qualified name of package is P and Q is the subpackage of P, then P.Q is fully qualified name of the subpackage. For the subpackages of the package Java named language, utility, and IO, the fully qualified package names are therefore java.language, java.util, and java.io. What do we need Java package? Java programmers bundle group of related classes into packages to make classes easier to find and use, to avoid name conflicts. Suppose you wrote a date class and there is already another class called date to control access. The Java package is like a project in C. Packages and subpackages. The Java package includes several subpackages such as java.io, which provide facilities for input and output. Java.net, which deals with the network communications. Java.applet, which implements the basic functionality of applet. The most basic package is called java.language, which include fundamental class such as string and math. It might be helpful to look at the graphical representation of the level of nesting in Java package. Its subpackages they class those subpackages and the method in those classes. This is not a complete picture since it shows only a few of many items in each element in the below picture. Java.language, math, we have a square root and random functions. For AWT, we have a graphics. For under the graphics, we can draw rectangle, set color. Creating a package. While creating a package, you should choose a name of the package and include a package statement along with that name at the top of each source file that contain the classes, interface, enumerations, and annotation types that you want to include in the package. The package statement should be the first line in the source file. There, there can be only one package statement in each source file. If a package statement is not used, then the class, interface, enumerations, and annotation types will be placed in the current default package. As mentioned earlier, the class and interface that are part of the Java development kit are members of various packages that bundle classes by function. Applet classes are in the java.applet, IO classes are in the java.io, and the graphical user interface widget classes are in the java.awt. You can put your own classes and interfaces in packages too. Let us look at the set of classes and examine what you might want to put them in package. Suppose you write a group of classes that represent the collection of graphics objects such as circle, rectangle, line, and points. You also write an interface draggable that class implements if they can be dragged with the mouse by the user. How to create Java package? There is a small example. Here we have a point.java, rectangle.java, circle.java, square.java, and draggable.java. Now we would like to put these classes and interfaces together in a package for several reasons. You and other programmers can easily determine that these classes and interfaces are related. You and other programmers know where to find classes and interfaces that provide graphics related functions. The name of your classes won't conflict with the class names in other packages because the package creates a new namespaces. You can allow classes within a package to have unrestricted access to each other, yet still restrict access for class outside the package. Here is an example of creating a Java package. Now you can easily create your own package, say geometry, and put all the above Java class and interface definition in it. Simply add the package statement at the top of all the previous Java files as follows. So here is an example. The point.java, we have a package name is called as package geometry. Rectangle.java, we have a package name at the top of the first line is a package geometry. Draggable.java, we have a package name is called a package geometry. You include the package statement, all the Java files you intend to include in your package. So here client circle.java, we have a package geometry. Square.java, we have a package geometry. If you do not use a package statement, your class or interface ends up with a default package, which is a package that has no name. Generally speaking, the default package is only for small or temporary applications. When you are just beginning development, otherwise it is recommended to have a class interface belonging to named package. So let us see another example for a Java package. So here is a practical example. Here is a example shows the division. So the first line package space calculation dot two variable. So that is a package name, and we have a class representation as a division. And in the second program, we have a class name is a product. So we are going to find the product of the two variables. And another program is nothing but for summation. Here you are going to find the summation of the two variables. And another program is nothing but is a difference. So finding the difference between the two variables. And finally, we have a example program to find the output for products, difference, division, and sum. Package naming. With programmers all over the world writing Java class and interfaces, it is conceivable and even likely that two programmers will use the same name for two different classes. In fact, the previous example does just that. It defines a rectangle class when there is already a rectangle class in the java.awt package. Yet the compiler allow both classes to have the same name because they are in different packages. And the actual name of the class includes package name. That is, the name of the rectangle class in the geometry package is really geometry.rectangle, and the name of the rectangle class in the java.awt package. The package is really java.awt.rectangle. This works just fine unless two different programmers use the same name for their packages. Both java.utility and java.sql have date class. So if you are using both packages, you need to reference with java.utility.date or java.sql.date. Java packages and host file systems. An extremely simple example, all packages and source or binary code on a system might be stored in a single directory and its subdirectories. Each immediate subdirectories of this directory would represent the top level package. One those fully qualified name consists of a single symbol name. The directory might contain the following immediate subdirectory. So C drive, we have four subdivisions called Windows, Java, MS Office, MyPack. Continuing the example, the directory Java would contain, among other subdirectories shown in the below. The subdirectories correspond to the package java.applet, java.awt, java.io, java.language, and java.net that are defined as a part of the Java API. The subdirectory mypack may contain your own packages that you have created for your personal use and to share with other Java programmers. MyPack, we have a geometry, physics, science. Still continuing the example, if we were to look inside the subdirectory of geometry, we might be see the following files: circle.java, draggable.java, point.java, rectangle.java, square.java.